Hello everyone, how do you do? Welcome to the lesson. Are you ready to learn English with me? Today we take the unit 1, Our World, Theme Natural Disasters. Let me introduce learning objectives. Develop and sustain a consistent argument when speaking and writing. Develop intercultural awareness through reading and discussion. Use appropriate subject-specific vocabulary and syntax to talk about a range of general topics and some curricular topics. Let's start our lesson. Open your books and go to the page 10. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat. What are these words in your language? Repeat after me. Drought, flood, earthquake, tsunami, hurricane, tornado. Drought, құрғақшылық. Flood, су тасқыны. Earthquake, жер сілкінісі. Tsunami, Hurricane, дауыл. Tornado, торнадо. Excellent. Your next task is reading. But before we start reading, let's get acquainted with the vocabulary of the text. Achieve, жету. Career, карьера. Civil engineer, инженер құрылысшы. Collapse, опырылып түсу, құлау. Inspirational, жігерлендіруші. Prevent, бетін қайтару, болдырмау. Raise awareness, көтеру, хабардар болу. Skyscraper, көкке тірелген үй. Specialize in something, мамандану. Structure, құрылым. Your task is exercise number 2, page 10. Now you will listen the text, Change the world through engineering.
Change the world through engineering. In 1999, a huge earthquake hit Turkey. Thousands of buildings collapsed and many people suffered. But this terrible event changed the life of 13-year-old Manzar Pelivan in a different way. Manzar wanted to help prevent these terrible tragedies in the future. So she decided to become a civil engineer specializing in earthquake safety. Although her teacher said only men could be engineers, she worked hard and achieved her goal. Her inspirational story is just one of many in Dream Big, a film made by the American Society of Civil Engineers. The ASCE Foundation released Dream Big in 2017. It's about the clever ways that civil engineers find solutions to problems people face around the world. We learn about the difficulties engineers have in building some of the most amazing structures in the world, from huge skyscrapers in Dubai to water cleaning projects in Africa. This fascinating film will inspire many young people to consider making a difference by becoming a civil engineer.
We have read the text. Now you will do the tasks. Exercise number 3 at page 11. Read the text again. For questions 1 to 3, choose the correct answer A, B, or C. I give you some minutes. Do the task. Check yourselves. The answer of the first question is A. The second is A2. The answer of the third question is C. Good job. I hope you were right. Today we have new phrasal verbs with give. Phrasal verbs with give and their meaning. Give away, donate. Give back, return. Give in, submit or hand in. Give out, hand out. Give off, emit, smell, light, oxygen, etc. You have got acquainted with the phrasal verbs. Now you will do the exercise number 4 at page 11. Are you ready? If you have finished, let's check. The first, give out. The second, give back. The third, give in. The fourth, give off. The last, giving away. Very well, that's all. Let's compare how you understood the lesson with this pyramid. At the top of the pyramid, you should write what have you learned. To the following, what have you understand. To the next, your questions. And to the last, what haven't you understand. Thank you. I hope this lesson was useful for you. The lesson is over. Goodbye.